Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a clear opening so the listener knows who called and why. Say your name and organization within the first 3 seconds. This builds trust. Once done, state the purpose in one concise sentence and give the best number to reach you. Make sure to speak slowly, enunciate digits, and avoid filler words. This step prevents confusion and encourages a prompt callback because people respond to clarity and professionalism. Now move into the body. Give 1 or 2 specific reasons why you're calling so the recipient can prioritize the message. Say phone numbers and extensions slowly and separately. Repeat critical digits once. Then offer a single preferred callback window to reduce back and forth. Use a calm, friendly tone and pause briefly between items to let them register. This approach increases the chance they'll return your call because they know exactly what's needed and when. Finish by thanking them, stating your full name, and repeating your number once more so it sticks. If appropriate, mention an alternate contact method such as text or email. Keep the total voicemail under 30 seconds to respect their time and improve listen-through. If they don't reply, troubleshoot. Leave a brief follow-up text referencing the voicemail or provide a secondary number. This solves cases where voicemails are missed or garbled. That final step increases your odds of getting a timely response.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.